Tails up. Note the skid. Many Tigermoths still have their original, they haven't been replaced with their tail wheel. They have a skid on the back. Great on grass, not so good on tarmac. Granted, Laura and Fletcher, as you'll notice, this Tigermoth has a tail wheel. Very important if you are operating from an airport that has a tarmac strip as opposed to grass. If you're using a tail skid, it'll get worn out a lot quicker on tarmac than on grass.
Hey, let's get a hay bale.
Grant and Lauren away. The view of the paddock the Tigermoths are all coming from. The green Tigermoth currently being hand cropped. So being standing at 30 front to fight. Tail comes up pretty quick, doesn't it? Ladies and gentlemen, we've had an iPad turned in. If you've lost your iPad, okay, that's Gary Hearn today is flying that aircraft. We'll be seeing some more of him later when he comes back to do a handling display. Tigermoths always flying from the back seat with the passenger or student in the front seat. There we go. That aircraft just took off making rather appropriate registration of BBC, and it's being flown by Andrew Beach. Well, the tail certainly came up quite quickly on that yellow one, and here he goes, he's away. Okay folks, that's the last of the Tigermoth. We'll have that now. The aircraft getting ready to go.